Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, Maths sir, discussing NCERT exemplars from the chapter Coordinate Geometry, class 10th. In this class, I'll be discussing MCQs number 1 to 5. These are top priority questions, means very important questions, right? For CBSE, for RBSE, for NTSE, or for any other competitive examination. Okay, so question number 1 is now on your screen. The distance of the point P, that is 2, 3 from the x-axis is, ये जो पॉइंट P है उसका डिस्टेंस x एक्सिस से 2, 3 है। तो देखिए ये जो y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है किसी भी पॉइंट का वो x एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस होता है। यहाँ पे the y coordinate of the point is given by that is 3 and x coordinate is 2. तो ये डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम x एक्सिस, दिस इज x एक्सिस, दैट इज 3, so that is 3. अगर ये क्वेश्चन ये होता कि व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम y एक्सिस, तो y एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस होता हमारा 2, बट हियर इज द आंसर इज 3. एंड now we go for the next question. Yes, the distance between the points A 0,6 and 0,2 given by using the distance formula, we know that the distance of is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here you can take 0 minus 0 whole square plus, see, x2 is 0, x1 is 0, and y2 is minus 2, y1 is 6. So that is minus 2 minus 6 whole square. Further, minus 8 whole square. That is 64. 8 square root is plus minus 8. But distance is always taken positive. Distance cannot be negative. So distance will be 8 unit. So therefore B is the correct answer. Now we move on to the third question. The third question is on your screen. The distance of the point P from the origin is, we know that the distance of any P x, y from origin is given by x square plus y square. So here x is minus 6 whole square plus y is 8 whole square, that is 36 and 64. Their sum is 100, their square root is plus minus 10. But again, distance cannot be negative, so distance will be 10 units. Therefore, correct answer is C. Now we move on to the next question, that is 4. The question is the distance between the 2 points. Using the distance formula, you can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 whole square. So x2 is minus 5, y2 is 0, x1 is 0, y1 is 5. So putting the values in the formula, minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square, that is minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 25, that is square root of 50. we can write 5 into 5 into 2. 2 is having pair. So 5 outside 5 root 2. Therefore, answer of this question is B, that is 5 root 2. And now next question number 5. Yes. AOBC is a rectangle. AOBC is a rectangle. Taken all 3 points in order. Vertex 0 A 0, 3, the origin that is 0, 0, and vertex B coordinates are 5, 0. What is the length of the diagonal? We have to find out this length. That is AB is the diagonal here. So using the distance formula again, that is equal to, you can again use the formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square minus 5 whole square, 3 whole square minus 5 whole square is plus 25, 3 whole square is 9, 25 plus 9, that is square root of 34. So the correct answer is 34. इस क्लास में हमने केवल 5 क्वेश्चन लिए हैं. That's why, that's all. Thank you.